Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a waterfall spread, and hopefully my phone don't go out, but we're gonna do a waterfall spread and it's going to be Asian inspired. Now y'all don't come for me if you say it's not Asian, it's this and that and the other. This is the theme that I'm doing, okay? So I just saw it and I thought it was real cute. I ordered these stickers from Temu, and these washi tapes are also from Temu. Yes, also from Temu. So let's get started. It's going to be real simple. I've already sectioned off my pages. I got 4 washi tapes. I'm going to need 4 pages to put them on. And I'm going to start, make sure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to start with the back page, and I'm going to use the widest washi tape I have. I might go a little wider, you guys. Let me see. I might use this one and then use these because this is kind of close to that same size. Yes, I think we're going to use this one. Same pattern, just this one is wider, and we're going to start off with a wider tape. So we're going to put it here, and I am known to not put tape on straight. I'm known not to draw a straight line, cut straight. I just can't do nothing straight. So that's that. Now we're going to do the next page, and we're going to line. I'm going to clip this later. I just want to be able to see where I want to cut my next strip and start my next tape. So I want to do this one because it got more red with it to match this side. Let me find where we started. So right here. Now you may see me get up and down. I just want to make sure my phone is still running because that other video I did, I know I talked in almost an hour and it stopped recording at 23 minutes. So every now and then I might stand up and check it. Okay, that's there. Oh, that's cute. And I'll get my scissors and I'm gonna cut. And hopefully my phone is not moving too much, shaking the table. Okay, we cut it close because it barely overlaps. So we gotta be careful on the next cut. So this one, we're gonna use this washi tape. I can find where the beginning is. I know that's kind of rough. We'll just tear that piece off and start with the new piece. There we go. And we're going to cut. Pretty. Next page. Gonna do the same thing. Oh, is that long enough? No, I pulled it too fast. Push this page over so I can make sure that I'm overlapping the previous tape. Ooh. Sorry about that, y'all. That was a struggle bus. Now we're going to cut. I'm picking this paper up, making sure I'm not cutting the page underneath. That wouldn't be good. Oh gosh. Told y'all I can't cut straight. Struggle is real. Let's see. Okay, now that we got all those on, we're going to flip it over, trim, oops, so let me trim this some more, trim, okay, we're going to do the same for the top. Trim. Okay. Cute. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing for the other side. We'll start off with the wider tape first. Let's just move that. The only thing about this thinner paper, it moves. But bunches up. Okay. Now, question is, do I want to fill this gap? I might this time. I didn't the last time, and it kind of bothered me. Let's see if we can find this. Do I want to do this one? Yeah, so this not necessarily the best quality of washi tape. Like I said, usually they do okay. I have to take it real slow and steady. Okay, it's looking pretty busy. Let's do, that's what I'm missing. Because this one's going to match this side on this first page. And they don't have to match. I just like it that way. Let's see. And anything you don't like, the good thing about washi tape, you can pull it right on up and use something else in its place. Off my thumb. Turn it this way. It's kind of hard for me to reach up that far. I got short arms. Okay. I like. It's busy, but I like it. Okay, we're going to turn it over here, and we're going to use this tape for this side. Slow and steady. It's hard for me to work with this type of paper. Thin paper because it's moving on me. There we go. Okay, still rolling. Now this side. Now see, the thing is, this should be here, but I got this one here, so we're gonna have to do a different one. Maybe this white one. Just gonna mix it up. So I know. We're going to do it like that. And then this side, might go with this one. How many times we use this one? Not much. So we're going to use this one. Hope it's long enough. Okay. Oops. I'm trying to hurry up. It's late here, and I'm trying to hurry up and finish so I won't be in my husband's way when he's getting ready for bed. I don't have an office. I just have to get in where I fit in. Okay, that's that. It's a little rip right there, but it's gonna stay there. Okay, those are the waterfalls. Cute, cute, cute. Now it's curling up like this because this paper is thin, but in my other journal where the GMS was much thicker than this, I didn't have any problems. So let's see. I think oh my gosh, do not tell me these are not pre-cut. I wonder if this will work. Y'all, the struggle is real. I was not prepared for this. I'm gonna have to cut out something different because all those little things. Let me see. I hadn't used this in I don't know when. I think they call this an X-Acto knife. Where you can cut around the outside, kind of like fussy cut, but you're using an X-Acto knife. Let me see if that works. Oh boy, it just takes a little longer to do. Let's put him. I want to layer it. I think I do. Just all those little round little beads down here. I'm glad this is transparent behind it because I can really just cut it wide and be okay. Oh, it's crooked. It's gonna have to be right there. I like how that's hanging down in the corner. Okay. Let's see if we can put this down there. I'm sorry, this video gonna be a little longer than expected. Am I going on the right side? Yes. I don't know where my little cutting mat is. Okay. Let's see, we're gonna put something. Ooh. Like this. I think they're so cute, but I sure hate I have to cut them out. Go this way. You really don't want to go towards your finger. Not with this sharp thing. I think not. See, I don't know if I want on the edge up there. I think I do. It's like a glare. I hope y'all see that. Because these are shiny. Maybe this one to put at the bottom. I'm so glad these are transparent because I can't even imagine going around every single nook and cranny. Let's see. Put it over here. Oh, that looks nice. Kind of want to save the big one for the bigger page. Because we have more space to fill. That space. Because a lot of times I don't have much to journal. But it always works out. Once I start, then I start thinking of things to write. Oh, I haven't done that one yet. Okay. So we'll do this. Sorry if my camera's moving. Okay. Now, I think I like this one. And that X-Acto knife, it takes a while to get used to it. But once you get used to it, it's pretty easy. Just a little learning curve. Worried about that little butterfly. Let's see, is that part of? No. I don't know if that's part of, that sticker or this sticker. But I guess it's gonna be this one today because I already cut it. That's up there. Oh, shoot. I want this to be at the, I want this to be at the top. Cause see that corner, it seems like it needs to be, against something. I don't want to have it like this sticking outside. Crap. There we go. Now, let's see. What do we want next? Maybe this one right here. Did I go around this? I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Okay, we got stickers on each page. At least one. Do you in the middle? I believe. I was worried if I connected that. You know what? This might need to be. Where do I want you? I thought I knew where I wanted you, but I don't. Put you right there. Stuck in the middle. So I can just cut this out and just put it right there. Right there. Am I gonna use all the I went off the line. Am I gonna use all my stickers? I don't think I ever done that. When they oh goodness. When they come in a pack, I always have a lot left over. I have to cut the rest of this with the scissors. Okay, still rolling. Trying my best to hurry up. Did I go all the way around? I think I did. Place you right there. Oops. Now I feel like something. I know what could go there, but let's see. Seems nice. I think I'm just going to cut out the whole. I was trying to see if that was part of it or not. trying to hurry up because this video is getting long. I didn't know I was going to have to cut these out. It would have saved us more time if I didn't have to do that. I'm on the right there. No, I need this over here to try to balance this out. Yeah. Okay, it's enough on that. This looks funny. I just about used all the stickers, y'all. I'm just not going to think about it too much. Just trust the process. That's all I'm going to do. Sometimes that's all you can do. Trust the process. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to cut all it out. That'll be one. But even though this is a corner, I don't know. What to do about that. We're gonna see if it worked. You know what? I'm gonna use that corner for something else. I got one more sticker on that other sheet of sticker paper. That maybe I can use it together. Kind of want it like this. I know it ain't supposed to go like that, but you know what? It's gonna go how I want it to go. Put it with this, just collage it with it. Yes, I don't think about it too much. Oh, I got one more. I got two more stickers. I did not know that. There's one on here. Let's see if we can find somewhere to put it. I'll turn this. Get the little butterfly. And one last sticker. Where is it going to go? Not on those two pages. Either these two or this one. I think I'm going to put it up here. It's just a little flowers. Turn it so it won't be going towards my hand because I do not want to get cut. Let's see, can I just do it like this or connect? Oh, that matches. So I'm just gonna connect it to this, put it in the crease there, and there we go. All right. I used all my stickers. Now, let's cover this back up because I don't want stick my hand or my arm. Now, I Google this writing, and it's supposed to mean love. So if it doesn't mean love in your language or whatever language it is, do not come for me. But I Googled love, and this what came up, and I traced it off my phone. So what I want to do is put it in here. One on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace it about right there. Like I said, if it doesn't mean love, I Googled it. That means Google is wrong. But in my journal, that's what it's going to mean. It's going to mean love. I just wanted some kind of writing that's cute. Put it down here. About right there. Maybe. I'm just going to put it on this side. Okay. I don't think I'm going to put it on this page unless I'm going to put it on those 2 pages. This one, I will. Oh, I can't get it. Trim it. Just do that. Cute. It almost looks like an eye. Eyeball. Okay. Now we are going to round these edges. Okay, that one's round. Let's see. I probably did that with the scissors, I think. Yeah. Sorry if the camera's moving. Turn this. Around the corner. We'll make a song out of anything, right? And this. That's coming up, that's why. Okay, this is round enough. Okay, that's it. This is my Asian theme. Oh, I like it. It looks so good. That's why I say just trust the process. Sometimes when you first start doing stuff, it may not look like it's going to come out right, but I love this. Waterfall tabs. Easy peasy. Except I just had to fussy cut those stickers I did not know about. Pretty. And then I just journal around it. And probably on this page I'll put 2 or 3 days. It depends on how much I want to journal. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know this video was a little long, but thank you for sticking to the end. And if you want to see more like this, easy peasy, then subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye-bye.